So the company Lenovo is all set to launch its first gaming smartphone on 22nd of July in China that will going to be the world's first smartphone to arrive with Snapdragon 865 Plus chipset. The device is said to be dubbed as Lenovo Legion Gaming Phone, and the company has already revealed some key features regarding the device, and also the design of the phone is no more a mystery. So starting off some press renders released by the company, the look of the phone is just incredible. We can see a large bezel-less display on the front side that has kind of a very trim bottom chin, and over the back there's an amazing texture of premium metallic strip on the top and the bottom area. It seems like the middle portion of the phone has a glass layer housing the Legion logo and has RGB lightings to give a gaming touch to the phone. So the most highlighting thing here at the back is the location of the cameras, which are almost aligned at the center. The company yet not revealed the exact reason behind doing this, but I guess the strips at the back would help in providing a more comfortable grip while you're using the phone in landscape mode. And it would also help in preventing your continuous touches on the camera lenses while gaming. Now you may be guessing where is the front camera, so here we go. Lenovo has installed a motorized pop-up front camera on the side edge of the phone so that you can able to record better face cam gaming videos. The phone will also come with a secondary USB-C port on the side edge for charging the device while gaming sessions. So Lenovo really did a great job in the design area. What you think about this kind of mechanism, let us know in comments below. In addition to an amazing look, the Lenovo Legion will also come with top-notch specs. Starting off the display, the phone will have a crazy combination of 6.7-inch AMOLED screen with 144Hz refresh rate. That's like a boon for gamers. You will get the smoothest viewing experience, which is great for the most advanced games. As we already know, it will have Snapdragon 865 Plus chipset, which is around 10% faster GPU than the standard 865. Snapdragon 865 Plus also supports features like Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2, 144Hz refresh rate, 8K video recording, and also Quick Charge 4+. In addition to an amazing chip, Lenovo Legion will also have UFS 3.1 storage and up to 16GB of LPDDR5 RAM. It will even support stereo sound from two 65mm speakers and a large sound cavity. The company claims the device will come with an amazing linear motor for a more immersive haptic feedback. And it is worth mentioning that the device will also have a massive 5000 mAh battery along with support for 90W fast charging. We have seen up to 65W fast charging technology yet, which is capable to charge 4000 mAh battery within 30 minutes. So probably 90W might able to charge 5000 mAh in 30 minutes. Anyhow, I am just guessing and it might be more quicker than that. And the last but not the least, the device will also come with an in-display fingerprint sensor. Now coming to the cameras, the phone will come with a main 64MP sensor along with an ultra-wide-angle lens having a resolution of 16MP. So this is it, everything about the upcoming Lenovo Legion gaming phone. Now as there is no info regarding the pricing, we can just make a guess. Looking through its specs and considering the low price strategy by Lenovo in past, I think the phone might be priced somewhere close to $700 to $800. What are your opinions? Let us know in comment section below. Thanks for watching, hope you have liked the video. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified. And as always, keep watching and keep smiling.